guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha if you're new. So today is Saturday and I'm about to go on the road to run some errands, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have some packages to pick up. I have to go to the supermarket and I'm not sure what else I'm going to get up to, so you guys are going to come along and find out with me as we go. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, so we're at Shipwise once again. Yeah, at Shipwise again. I promise guys, I'm not I'm not one of those people who are like getting a million packages during quarantine. It's just, honestly, since I started vlogging, I've been getting more packages than usual. But anyway, I'm gonna collect my packages and I'll come back soon. So guys, we're stopping to get food at, what's this place? So guys, as I was saying, we're getting food at this place. It's called Copperwood. Is it Copperwood? No, Pepperwood. Yeah, we're at Pepperwood getting food. So Ari is here. Say hi, Ari. Oh my god. Anyway, we're waiting for food now, so yes, we're just sitting and waiting, and then we'll eat and I'll show you the food when it comes. We're just getting like jerk pork, jerk chicken festival. Yeah, so guys, the food is here. So I'm so excited. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute what we got. Okay, so this is what we got: jerk pork, and I got jerk chicken. So as the food is eating and we're leaving now. I'm gonna go to the supermarket. So when we get there, I'll check back in with you guys. So I got done at the supermarket and now we're heading to Old Harbour to get fish. So that's what's up for the rest of the evening. The sun is in my eye. So we're on our way to Old Harbour now, so when we get there I'll show you guys what's going on.
Watcha? Is that?
So we're at the fishing village now. It's in Old Harbour Bay and we're just gonna see if we can find some good fish. I think we're gonna buy lobster as well, so yeah.
Alright, where are they?
We can just mix them.
Yeah. How much
Give me a snapper too? Take snapper, carrot. How they taste again?
Nice man, see me like a snap.
Alright.
What is it?
Alright, just mix them up. How much a pound?
600.
Five, yeah. Take I want it. £5. Let me see. Alright, thanks. It feels so good to be outside again, even if it's just at a fishing village. It feels really, really good, guys. Right now we're just waiting for the fish to be scaled, so we just came down to look at the water and the birds and stuff.
Yeah, so big.
Yeah, it's really big.
That one.
Okay guys, so we're just chilling for a little bit, so I'll check in back with you guys later. Hey guys, so today is Saturday. I know the last time I vlogged was Saturday. I'm like the worst vlogger in the whole world, but I didn't have much to vlog during the week, so I'm on my way to, I'm leaving to go to Mandeville now. I'm going with my boyfriend because he's taking his van there to get it fixed because the mechanics in Kingston are ridiculous, so he's going where he can get it to be fixed for a more reasonable price. So he's driving his van there and I'm gonna drive behind him because he's gonna leave the van. I'm gonna need to take him back to Kingston. So that's the plan for today. So I'm rushing out now because I really need to go right now. He's waiting on me. So while I'm on the road, I'll show you guys what's up and what's going on. So I'll check back in soon. Hey, your panty are sure. So guys, we're on our way now. We're still in Kingston though, but we're just jamming to some music and enjoying our little. It's been so long since we have been out on the road driving. I mean, I don't even know how many times I've driven to country.
Like 78 days.
I don't know if it's been, how long has it been? Close to 60 days since we've been in quarantine. So it's so refreshing to be
29 days.
going somewhere, even though it's nothing really exciting or fun or anything, but we're gonna make it fun for ourselves. So yeah guys, so that's what's up. Just wanted to check in with you guys to give you a little update, and I guess we'll check back in again soon. So peace.
Like sugar, what you put in that waistline. Yes, it's on the calling day, on the calling day. Because I do some push back a day. The thing is perfect, it's like a jam on night. Yes, it's on the calling day, on the calling day. She never tells me to be shy. She don't get sugar.
I want to go call me, why not over the stove? Hey guys, so we're on the highway now, and I wanted to show you some of the scenery and stuff, but my lens is dirty and I don't want to get distracted trying to clean it while I'm on the highway. So I'm not gonna be able to show you all anything much right now, but yeah, we're still on our way there. I think we're gonna stop to buy soup. Yeah, we're gonna stop to buy soup. I don't know if we'll buy food, maybe just soup in Clarendon. So I'll come back to you guys when we're doing that. guys, we're at the last toll, and then we're gonna get onto the rocky bad road. So guys, we're in Clarendon now, and we're stopping to get jelly. Oh, get some coconut water to wash off with hands.
And wash off my tummy.
So that's what we're doing right now.
And wash off my tummy too.
Hey guys, so we are getting jelly right now. Yeah, get strong.
You better move out of the way and then later. Slip and stop and escape evil carnival. Do not fall to the people.
No, not my pocket.
Them and those that might wish you evil. Live and die and celebrate with my people. That is not
We'll get one whole one for area.
it's not the better I know for poor people. It's not the better in you and your country.
Is it sweet, Ari? It's sweet? Fresh? This is mine. Thank you. Say fresh. Okay guys, so we got to our jellies as you saw. I'm just gonna finish drinking before I drive off because I don't want this to drain out in the car, but this jelly really filled my belly.
Mommy,
You finished drinking yours?
I don't want.
Oh, and we also got cane. You want cane now, Ari?
Yeah.
But you're going to crumbs up the whole car, and they're big. You can manage it big like this? Alright, hold on, I'm going to pull it for you.
Mommy, I need the hand sanitizer.
Hey, you're not touch nothing. Looking at that back here.
Oh,
Guys, we always stop at this jelly spot when we're going when we're coming to Manchester. Oh, my boyfriend is from Manchester. Aria's dad is from Mandeville, so we come this way pretty often because of the quarantine and stuff. We haven't come here in like probably 3 months. Take out. Are you finished your jelly?
Mommy, remember it's for me and Daddy.
Yeah, but you can't put it on the floor for it to drain out. Daddy don't want any more.
I'll eat the cane later.
Sorry. Put up your foot up here, sorry. Sit. Is a lot in it? Drink it out. You want me to help you drink it? Okay guys, so Aria can manage her jelly. Okay, it's done. Alright, here. Put it on the floor over there. Okay guys, so belly full of coconut water, and we're ready to go again. Alright, it's gonna eat cane. Don't think I'm going to eat any cane until I reach. So off we go. So guys, we made it to Mandeville finally, and I think this is where I'm gonna end off the vlog. So I think I'm gonna be here for the whole weekend, so I'm gonna vlog and put that in a separate vlog. So this is where I'm gonna end this vlog, you guys. Definitely subscribe to see more from me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.